Hello again and welcome to HTH Engineering. We're the makers of Start-Stop Universal Dictation and Transcription Systems. But today we're here to talk to you about Dragon Medical Practice Edition. And we'd like to remind you of the team of experts that have committed themselves here at HTH Engineering to providing the resources and the technology, the information to help you be more productive and make the right choice as you pursue the high-tech requirements and meet the HIPAA requirements that the federal government is instituting now that we're in stage 2 of meaningful use. HTH Engineering is an elite Dragon Medical partner, and we've got a couple of portals on the web. One is dragonmedicalhightech.com, where you can get the latest in news, download one of our catalogs, the products that are actually recommended for meaningful use expenditures for reimbursement under the HITECH Act. You can get news, some of the products that we actually offer, links that are available that are frequent, and you can always contact us right here out of Tarpon Springs, Florida. The information is right there. And we try to keep fresh videos on our YouTube channel. That's Florida HITECH's channel right on YouTube. And feel free to, at your leisure, surf around and find out some tips and tricks. And like I said, contact us either through social media or directly calling our toll-free number. We've got people ready to help you out. So let's talk about Dragon here. The hidden mode is one useful aspect if you're going into any kind of electronic medical record or an EHR. I've got a small little demo set up here where we would look at incorporating some of the fields and looking at how we would use the hidden mode and the navigation functions that are available. So what I'd like to do is just create a new contact here. Now if you notice the pop-ups for the tooltips, these words are what you can say if you would like to not just click on a particular icon. You can actually say those words. This one is scheduled to do. This one is schedule meeting. This is new contact. Under contacts you can also put the insert key if you want to use your keyboard. But let's try it without touching the keyboard here. Notice down at the bottom on the Dragon bar, the microphone is off. When it turns green, it will be on. This will tell us the quality of the environment. It's got full text control. And this mode right here is what will indicate that we are in hidden mode and it's on. Now notice there'll be a small little box around it when we enter into the hidden mode. So here we go. New contact, Tommy Turnbuckle. Select Turnbuckle. Choose 6. Microsoft. If you'd like to see the list by this caret right here, you can say the words expand list. Let's try that. Expand list. Click Analyst. Now let's go into hidden mode. Watch the icon at the bottom and watch this icon here. Hidden mode on. The patient is a writer and has published a few works, period. She drinks alcohol socially and does not smoke cigarettes or take any unprescribed drugs. There was a catheter that was inserted, and I'd like to leave a record about that catheter, period. New paragraph. The prior drainage catheter was removed, comma, in utilizing a coaxial wire and a catheter system, comma, a new 16 French non-locking sump catheter was inserted with the distal tip positioned with more
superior component of the abscess, period. Approximately 100 cc of purulent material was aspirated, period.
Now on the Power Mic, the buttons can be programmed, and what I'm going to be pushing is this button here to transcribe it, which will show the particular dictation box, and then pressing this, which will turn green, and it will transfer the text from our dictation box into whatever field that the EMR or the AHR would require. In this case, it's a note field. And instantly, the background text is inserted in the notes field. Now this could be as well as a graphic image.
Pig ureter.
What I've done here is there is a command that I've had that is a graphic image, and while I'm inside the note field, I've decided that I would like to have a graphic image included on this. I can hit OK, and this note is attached to this patient. Now any one of the commands are available for this EHR, but if I wanted to insert another note, and then I just remembered that I wanted to go out and I forgot the ICD-9 procedures for the drugs that I would like to prescribe. Dragon has got a number of commands that are available that you can search the web using Search WebMD, Search ICD-9, Search PubMed, and it will automatically use these to search online for information you might want that would be on the top of your head. So let's try that.
Search WebMD drugs for penicillin.
Now that worked out pretty good. How about we cancel that? Go back to our EHR.
Search PubMed for erythromycin.
If you'll see the results of the search, there were the first 20 that have to do with erythromycin. Our search details are shown on there. So there are many search options that are built right in that as you are thinking about particular prognoses, SOAP templates, and such, many of the online options are available to you. Let's talk about hidden mode one more time, and this time put it into Microsoft Word.
Hidden mode on. The catheter was removed, and a bandage was placed over the puncture site, period. The patient tolerated the procedure well and left the department in good condition, period. He was given instructions to notify the department if there were any problems that should arise, period. Select all. Set font 20. Click Review. Send document.
At this point, we have the option to send it using email, send the document to the web, save it to a SharePoint, or copy it and post it into our EMR.
Select all. Copy paragraph. Paste.
As you can see, the text itself is pasted in there, and other information can be added as you would if you want to be in the fields. Other information can be added with some of the user fields that are also found. For instance, you can tab between the fields using the power mic or using your voice.
Penicillin. Non-smoker, frequent social drinker, no illegal drug use. $125/79. $62. £215. Click File.
At this point we can hit Save. We could save a copy as, or we might want to write a letter after we save it. Here's one that we can send a letter to.
Click Write. Go to bottom. Go to top. Select type body of letter here. This is the body of the letter that if there was a template you could insert, or word for word you could dictate. Period. New paragraph. New paragraph. Pig prostate. Scratch that. Sig letter. Space.
Now we can send it right from here by saying File Send. We can print it out. And we hope that you have picked up a few tips and tricks on using hidden mode, searching the web, and also using Microsoft Word. And give us a call here at HTH Engineering. Our number is toll-free 866-254-0714, and just press extension 4 for a Dragon Naturally Speaking consultant who would like to discuss with you the features and benefits of Dragon Medical Practice Edition. Have a great day.